Hey friends, today I wanted to share with you a little project that my helper and I are going to be working on. One of the things I wanted to incorporate this year was some more wood bead garland. $10 for about 6 feet, it starts to add up pretty quickly. So for $20, I got 400 beads that are almost an inch long. Thank you, Peanut Gallery. Almost an inch long, and I'm going to make a little garland. So let me show you how. Okay, step one is to get some strong string. I'm going to use baker's twine because that's what I have on hand, and some tape. And you just want to tape the end of your string so that you've got a nice firm piece that can go through the wood beads easily so that it doesn't unravel when you're trying to do that. Okay, one little helpful tip. If you can make sure that the tape is longer than the height of the bead, it becomes just a whole lot faster because you can stick the tape through there and see if it's sticking out. I don't know if you can tell. If it's sticking out on the other side, then it becomes a lot easier to just... You can decide ahead of time how long you want it to be, or you can just string until you run out of energy. I decided to make mine about 10 feet long, and so I've measured that much, and I'm going to cut my string at that point. Now, the easiest way to finish these off and ensure that you won't lose the wood beads later is to take a bead all the way near that end, not all the way to the end necessarily, but don't just tie a knot in the string. Tie the string around the wood bead. See, if we tie around this wood bead and then knot it, then this wood bead will be well secured where it is and will keep the rest from sliding off. And from there, we will string on the rest. Finished. We have now got, will you help me show them this? Can you help me show this? We have now got, 10 feet, roughly speaking, of wood bead garland, excuse me. And we're going to finish it off by tying a knot in this last bead, just like I did on the first one. Something to watch out for, you don't want it so tight that the beads can't then drape very comfortably, right? But you don't want it so loose that you end up with like big gaps where the string shows. So give yourself a little bit of space, but not a ton, and tie it off into a nice strong knot, and you should be good to go. I hope you enjoyed this project. For more DIY tutorials, design inspiration, and decorating ideas, visit maisondepax.com.